All right, Collector 007 here, and as the title said, we're taking a look at this portable jet fan. And it really could be called a portable leaf blower because, darn, this thing is powerful. I bought one of these about a year ago, and it really wasn't that good. It was really like a very low power, low pressure. It was almost like a little hairdryer or something. This thing, I don't know how they do it in this little thing that I'm about to show you. Like I said, extremely powerful. It's almost like like something you would plug in as opposed to a rechargeable device. This thing runs 130,000 RPM, and basically just comes with this USB. Comes with a couple little attachments that you could use to blow things out. But I've just tried this just once so far, actually, to blow leaves off my deck, and I gotta tell you, it was incredible. So here it is, this little tiny thing right here, very cool looking, very futuristic looking. There's a little tab for the USB to go in there, and there's a button, which I'll show you in a second. And there's the little orange back right there. It's got this silicone feel on it, so it's a nice non-slip type of feel to it. Very, very, very hardy. It weighs 0.77 pounds, and you'll see in a second, it gets loud, but not that loud. The last one I had was over 95 decibels. It was kind of ridiculous. This one is 70 decibels. This will run for 90 minutes, depending on what power you put it on, low, medium, or high. But like I said, the thing about this, you could use this for so many things. So I got this for my car. So I've been into, these classic cars lately and motorcycles, and I actually washed my car for the first time by hand the other day, which is the first time I've washed the car in 40 years. But I tried out this new stuff, and after I washed it, I didn't want to leave any streaks on it. So I took this out, and it sort of dried the car like in literally minutes. It was amazing. So this is good for, like I said, cleaning the interior of a car, the exterior of a car, a motorcycle, drying pets off. If you have a pet that gets wet, this cordless, you just chase them around the backyard and dry them off with this. This is good for blowing dust off of like a keypad on your computer. Like I said, I use it for, taking leaves off the deck the other day because I was just, opened it up to read about it while sitting on the back patio. And that's it. Comes again with those attachments and this little velour case right here. And really nothing to say. I haven't even charged it yet. And even though I used it, it's still going strong. So the way it works is you're going to push this button a couple of times and you're going to see how powerful this thing is. So the first time you push and hold it once, and it's on low. So you hear how nice and quiet that is. But, on low, it's got, still got some power to it. And then you push it a second time, and it gets a little more powerful. You can see right there. And I was going to use it outside, but it's literally been pouring outside this entire week, and it's going for the next week. So I was going to show you, blowing some leaves or something outside, but I can't do that. So anyway, that's on the second speed, and then here's the third right here. So we got one, we got two. If I figure it out, 1, 2, and there's 3 right there. So you just have to hold it. Look at that. It's like a mini tornado in your hand. So this thing, this will blow anything you want. This will take a box for such a tiny little item right there. And you got a little bit of a, you got this thing right here. I guess it's an indicator. So it shows you right there. So that's the lowest. Then you push it again, and there you go. So that's how that works. Do it again. The lowest, and push it again, and more powerful right there. Yeah, that thing is like ridiculous. I'm blowing stuff all around the room here. It's insane. Very, very powerful. High quality. I could see this thing last in a very long time. And that's it. I could just play with this all day. So this is good. If you have any dust in your house or something like that you want to get rid of, that's it. To shut it off, you just push and hold the button and you shut it off. So very cool device. Like I said, I'm going to use this mostly in my car. It's a darker interior and it gets dusty. And basically, instead of wiping it down all the time, just take this, open your doors. Mine is a convertible, so it's easy just to leave the roof down and just blow this all over the place and get all the dust and little leaves and pieces of dirt that are on the carpet and just blow them right out of the carpet. So that's it, all right? Something pretty cool, and I'll leave a link below. And thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.